Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an account for Linen Wallet. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store and download the Linen Wallet application. Once you've done that, launch it open from the app drawer. Now from the main interface of Linen Wallet, tap on the Get Started button to create a new account. Linen Wallet is secured with 3 keys. So you'll now need to create the keys and keep it safe in order to go ahead and secure your wallet. Tap on OK, let's create the keys option and tap on Save Cloud Key. On the next page, enter an email address that you have an access to and tap Continue. You'll now need to verify your email. So go ahead and enter the confirmation code sent to you via your email address. Enter the correct code that you receive and on the next page, enter a phone number. You can also skip this step for now and do this later, but I prefer to do it right away. Enter a valid phone number in the phone number tab. Also make sure to enter your country code by selecting your country from the drop-down. Now tap on Continue and confirm your phone number as well by entering the verification code sent to you via your SMS. After you are done, you will be taken to a new page where it says your linen is ready. Now your wallet is protected by 3 keys which you can manage anytime. In the settings menu, tap on the Continue button and go through the terms of use and privacy policy. Enable the toggle right at the bottom to enable the accept button and tap on accept. Now create a passcode for your Linen wallet by typing it down with the help of these keypads. Confirm your passcode by retyping it again, and there you have successfully created a wallet for Linen. Linen is a wallet that allows you to protect your Ethereum wealth. It is best suited for holders with over $10,000 who needs extra peace of mind. So that's how you can easily sign up for Linen Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.